Hey everyone, I wanted to jump on and share my ode that I wrote for Mrs. Cook's class. I'm not going to be there Friday to share it, so I'm making this quick recording. I also wanted to show you, before I show you the final product, my rough draft. So mine got really messy, right? In the actual editing, I circled words to try to think of different ways to say things. So this is kind of my brain dump and my ode in the rough draft form. So now I'm going to share with you the final draft form. Ode to the Bulletin Board by Mrs. Jones. Oh, beautiful, bright square of colorful cork, border, butcher paper, pictures and words, alive with student celebration. You show us artwork, A-work, information, collaboration. You radiate creativity and shout through the halls, look at me, look at me. Without you, the walls would feel like a prison cell, the white paint seeping into student souls. Thank the heavens above, our eyes can see your beauty every 5 feet here at LNC. That's my ode. Thanks for listening.